Whether you work in an agency, manage a franchise, or need to create multiple similar social media posts, Loomly's new calendar groups and custom fields can streamline and accelerate your content creation process. Calendar groups allow you to organize and easily clone posts across multiple calendars. You can also view content from your selected calendars in the All Calendars view. You can group calendars by brand, client, team, project, location, account manager, and more. Custom fields are content placeholders that allow you to create posts with customized details such as phone numbers, addresses, websites, names, and more. This way, you no longer have to manually add them each time. When duplicating posts with custom fields across other calendars, these details will automatically update with each calendar's specific values. To create a calendar group, head to your account settings, then click Calendar Groups. Enter the name of the calendar group, and in this example, we will use Kitten Team. Select the calendars you wish to add to this specific group, then select Create Calendar Group. You can also edit your existing calendar groups by adding or deleting certain calendars from the group or delete the entire group. A way for you to store archive calendars, you can use Z as calendars are listed alphabetically, making the group last in the list in your dashboard. For example, I've used Z hide for my archive calendars. Next, to create custom fields for each calendar, head to Custom Fields. Click Create New Custom Field, give your custom field a name, and in this example, I will use Location. Select the calendars you wish to have this specific custom field, then enter the value for each calendar. Please note, if you would like to add custom field to only one calendar, simply head to your calendar settings and make your changes under Custom Fields tab. Once you have created your calendar groups and custom field, content creation is a breeze. Launch Post Builder, write your generic copy, and add in your custom fields. Or you can type in a curly bracket to see all of your custom fields options. Then click Clone Post to other calendars. Select the calendar group you wish to duplicate the post to, then click Select Calendars. Now, you've duplicated the same post across the other calendars within the selected group with their unique values. To ensure, you can always double check the content in Post View and make any further adjustments. And that's it. You can now leverage this powerful tool to create posts faster and smoother. If you have any questions, please check out our FAQ. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for more.